Hi guys, welcome. My name is Raul, the director of Pure Dodgeball. Now we've ordered a few of these dodgeball a while ago now. I've had it for nearly a year or something like that. So I'm just going to open this and it gives you a viewing of what's actually inside. Now this one, it's a brownie ball. I don't know why it's losing air, but because it's losing air, a lot of air, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it open and show you what's inside it. It's a brand new ball, never been used. Okay, now there we go. Just going to tear it up. Just want you to stand. Let me see. Got the scissors there. Start from here. Okay. Just gonna try and rip it up. Okay, for some of you have wondered what comes inside these balls. So that it is for you. It's tissue, cloth one ball. It's nicely padded actually. Well, it didn't rip that easy, so you can tell. Good stitching. Yeah, really good stitching there. So yeah, try and rip it again. Doesn't rip easy. Yeah. So this is our old logo. So we're in the old logo, so we've changed it. Yeah. So there you go, that's the ball here. Now, I've never seen anything like it. It feels sticky. So yeah, just gonna keep tearing it up and see what we can find. Probably added some glue inside it or something. So this is just another, looks like strings, piece of strings. Missing. Open as well. There you go. Not there yet. For what it is, really good quality. Okay. I'll take all this. Yeah, you can hear the air coming out from somewhere there. So, damn. Might be here all day. Still not going anywhere yet. Let's see. This will be the eye opener. So yeah. No, it's not going out anywhere yet. Let me see. That's it. Pull that one out. It just smells like rubber. So that's what covers your ball. Got this one's also ripped, so if you want to try it out, rip it yourself. I don't know. This is another one. That one's good, nice and solid. Okay, these are our old ones anyway. That's our website there. It's gonna look a bit thingy to you, but yeah. So that's the cloth to the ball itself. I'm assuming they already have these in like this in stock, and then you just get a design thing and they just add it on top. That's what I'm assuming anyway. Don't know if you might want to see anything else. Just a bit padded cushion there. See if we can get a hold of the type of cushion it is in there. Yeah, so it all sticks. So that's a cushion to your ball. Yeah, it's using air from someone. And there's a holder. Yeah, probably won't be able to see it. So that's where the air was coming from. Okay, should we open this as well? Why not? Let's. Oh! Okay. Maybe that's where the cheap quality comes into it, huh? Look at that, it just rips. What? 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 That? It's got sand and stuff in it. I don't know. Why does it look so dirty? So yeah, that is your foam ball that you normally use in a dodgeball match when you're playing the adult game. This is a size 4 that we ordered. Even this one as well, it's losing air. Don't know what's going on. Brown new ball. So yeah, brown new ball. So yeah, that's your ball. That's your 3 things that come with it. This is a customized one by ourselves. Well, we ordered this because that's exactly the way that I wanted it when I ordered it, and that's my own logo, my own company and everything. So yeah, there you go. You've seen it from here. I don't know if it's the first video ever, but there you go. I've teared it up. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace out.